Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn 35 natural disaster names in a simple and fun way. Let's start. Earthquake. This is an earthquake.
This is an earthquake.
The ground shakes suddenly because rocks under the earth move or break. Buildings, roads, and bridges can get damaged. Sometimes earthquakes also create large cracks in the ground. Tsunami. This is a tsunami.
This is a tsunami.
A huge, powerful ocean wave created by an underwater earthquake. These waves travel very fast and can flood coastal areas. Tsunamis cause heavy destruction near the seashore. Volcanic eruption. This is a volcanic eruption.
This is a volcanic eruption.
Hot lava, smoke, and ash come out from a volcano. The eruption can destroy nearby land and villages. Ash in the air can make breathing difficult. Flood. This is a flood.
This is a flood.
Too much rain or river water flows over the land. Homes, farms, and roads get covered with water. Floods can cause loss of life and property. Drought. This is a drought.
This is a drought.
When there is no rain for a long time, the land becomes dry and crops cannot grow. People and animals suffer due to shortage of water. Hurricane. This is a hurricane.
This is a hurricane.
A very large storm with extremely strong winds and heavy rainfall. It forms over warm oceans and moves toward land. Hurricanes can destroy houses, trees, and power lines. Tornado. This is a tornado.
This is a tornado.
A fast-spinning funnel of air touching the ground. It can lift cars, trees, and buildings into the air. Tornadoes destroy everything in their narrow path. Blizzard. This is a blizzard.
This is a blizzard.
A strong snowstorm with freezing winds. Visibility becomes very low, making travel dangerous. Everything gets covered under thick snow. Hailstorm. This is a hailstorm.
This is a hailstorm.
Small ice balls fall from clouds during storms. They can break windows, damage crops, and dent vehicles. Hailstorms usually happen during strong thunderstorms. Landslide. This is a landslide.
This is a landslide.
Rocks, soil, and mud slide down a mountain or hill. Heavy rain or earthquakes often cause landslides. They block roads and damage houses nearby. Avalanche. This is an avalanche.
This is an avalanche.
A huge amount of snow suddenly falls down a mountain slope. It moves very fast and buries everything in its path. Avalanches are common in snowy mountain regions. Wildfire. This is a wildfire.
This is a wildfire.
A large fire that spreads quickly in forests and grasslands. Dry weather and strong winds make it worse. Wildfires destroy plants, animals, and nearby homes. Dust storm. This is a dust storm.
This is a dust storm.
Strong winds lift and carry dust into the air. The air becomes brown, making it hard to see or breathe. Dust storms usually happen in dry areas. Sandstorm. This is a sandstorm.
This is a sandstorm.
Winds carry sand at high speed in deserts. It can block visibility and damage machinery. Sandstorms also cause breathing problems. Heat wave. This is a heat wave.
This is a heat wave.
Very high temperatures continue for many days. People feel extreme heat, dehydration, and tiredness. Heat waves can be dangerous for health. Cold wave. This is a cold wave.
This is a cold wave.
Freezing temperatures stay for several days. Water pipelines freeze and crops get damaged. Cold waves can cause health problems like frostbite. Thunderstorm. This is a thunderstorm.
This is a thunderstorm.
Storm with lightning, thunder, and heavy rain. Strong winds can blow away roofs and trees. Thunderstorms often bring hail or floods too. Glacial melting. This is glacial melting.
This is glacial melting.
Large ice glaciers melt due to rising temperatures. This increases river and seawater levels. Glacial melting affects climate and animals like polar bears. Iceberg calving. This is iceberg calving.
This is iceberg calving.
Big chunks of ice break off from glaciers. They fall into the sea and form icebergs. This happens because of warming temperatures. Storm surge. This is a storm surge.
This is a storm surge.
Cyclones or storms push seawater onto land. This causes sudden flooding near the coast. Storm surges can cover entire coastal villages. Sinkhole. This is a sinkhole.
This is a sinkhole.
A deep hole suddenly opens in the ground. It happens when underground rock dissolves or collapses. Sinkholes can swallow cars, roads, or buildings. Meteor strike. This is a meteor strike.
This is a meteor strike.
A space rock enters Earth's atmosphere and crashes. It creates a big impact, explosion, or fireball. Large meteor strikes are extremely rare. Smog. This is smog.
This is smog.
Polluted air from smoke and dust mixes together. Smog reduces visibility and harms lungs. Cities with heavy traffic often face smog. Acid rain. This is acid rain.
This is acid rain.
Polluted air mixes with rainwater. This rain damages plants, buildings, and water bodies. Acid rain is harmful for soil and human health. Forest fire. This is a forest fire.
This is a forest fire.
A fire spreads quickly through forests and hills. It destroys wildlife and natural habitats. Human mistakes or lightning often cause such fires. Famine. This is a famine.
This is a famine.
When food becomes extremely scarce for many people, it happens due to drought, poor crops, or war. Famine leads to hunger and suffering. Pandemic. This is a pandemic.
This is a pandemic.
A disease spreads across many countries and continents. Large populations get infected in a short time. Pandemics can affect travel, economy, and daily life. Epidemic. This is an epidemic.
This is an epidemic.
A disease spreads rapidly in a small area or region. Many people get infected at the same time. Pest infestation. This is a pest infestation.
This is a pest infestation.
Too many insects or animals harm crops and food. Farmers lose harvest, causing food shortage. Red tide. This is a red tide.
This is a red tide.
Seawater turns red due to harmful algae. These algae release toxins dangerous for fish and humans. Oil spill. This is an oil spill.
This is an oil spill.
Oil leaks into the ocean from ships or pipelines. It spreads over water and harms sea animals. Snowstorm. This is a snowstorm.
This is a snowstorm.
Heavy snowfall with strong winds. Roads become blocked and visibility drops. Flash flood. This is a flash flood.
This is a flash flood.
Flooding happens very quickly after heavy rain. People get very little time to escape. Global warming. This is global warming.
This is global warming.
The Earth's temperature rises due to pollution. Ice melts and sea levels rise. Ice storm. This is an ice storm.
This is an ice storm.
Rain freezes when it hits cold surfaces. Everything becomes covered in ice. Great job! You learned 35 natural disaster names. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning videos.